Hello, this video is to show you how to edit a wiki page. I'm here on the Walters and Wolf wiki. On the front page of the wiki you will find all the recent changes shown here. So anybody edits something, it shows you when it was edited and which pages were edited. As you come down the page there's a few helps right here. So helps for writers shows you how to create things right here. So it shows where to keep the documents that you're going to link to if you're going to link a document. It also shows you what text to put in to link a document, and I'll show you how to use that in a minute. If you want to actually link to the file, not move the document to the wiki, you can also make a link to the file itself, which gives you some instructions there. At the bottom there's also a list of help menus. So you can get to any of the editing things here. So if you're not sure how to do something, you can click on that. So help on editing takes you to the help page, and it shows you how to do the edits. If you want to look at how to format something, click on formatting, and it'll show you the basics, all the different ways you can format things. So if you're not sure how to do something, the help files are all listed at the bottom. You can also get to the help files by clicking help at the top of the screen, and that lists, again, all those same help menus there. So from the home page at the bottom of the screen is a number of help menus that you can use, and that's what I suggest you use is the bottom of the home screen for editing. So let's go ahead and edit something here. I'm going to edit my page and click on that. I'll come over. So this is a wiki page, just like every other wiki page. On any wiki page, you can just double click in a blank space and it'll turn it into an editing page. If you get this message at the top, you need to sort of put your credentials into the portal. So you can click here. I can put in that I'm training because I'm on the training computer. Save my preferences. Now when I go back to that page and I double click, I don't get that error message. So from in here you just basically type in information. If you want help on editing, formatting, any of the things, all the help menus are listed right up here. Typically bulleted lists are done with stars. So there are a few little things you can do to make something bold. You put 2 stars around it. To get a paragraph going, you can put something in a little paragraph tag like that. So you can sort of look at other people's pages and see what they've done, and that sort of gives you some ideas how to do the edits. So let me show you how to add a file to, a link to a file in the wiki, because that's something a lot of people do. So on the front page again, if I go back to the home page, I would come down here and it lists where to put the document. So let's say I'm linking to a document, let's say this labor monitor. So I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. I just hit Control C, come back to the wiki page, click here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it. So that just puts the document into the file folder. Come back to the wiki page. And now I'm going to copy this text right here. This is the way that you link documents. Go back to my page that I was editing. So I want to edit this page. I'm just going to double click. I'm going to scroll down to where I want to start. Let's say it's right here. And I'm going to paste that text back in. This information here will be the name of the document, and that was labormonitor4.pdf. Let's come back here. Then what you want it to say. So you might want it to say just the file name, but you might want it to be something else too. That'll be the text you see when you look at it, the hyperlink text. So I'm going to just type labor monitor information. If I like what I see, I can hit preview to see what it's going to look like. And as I scroll down, you'll see now this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be a hyperlink and it's going to say labor monitor information, whatever I typed in there. If I change that to say something else, again, when I hit preview, you can see what that's going to look like, and it'll show you there. If I'm happy with it, I hit save. Now as I scroll down and click on that, I can test it. It takes me to that paperwork that we just posted in. So I'm not going to leave my page that way, so again, just double click to edit, come down, highlight the information, and save. The one thing people get confused with is sort of how to format things. So again, as you double click here, help on formatting here, it gives you the list here. So to make something bold, come down and it will give you the information. So to mark text as bold, enclose text by 2 asterisks on both sides. So you can see right here, they give you an example. Some bold text, and then it shows you what it will look like this. So you can see the formatting here, and then you can see what it will look like there. So if you want to underline something, you want to do a strike through on something, you want to put italicize something, this is how you do it here. So these help files will give you the information on what you're looking for in order to get things to look the way you want them to. You can do lists, bulleted lists, numbered lists, and all of that's listed in the help file. Okay, I hope that helps out. Good luck. Thanks.